Hey everybody, GT here from GT's Barbecue. If it's your first time here, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thanks so much for the support. It really means a lot to the channel. I really appreciate it. Today I'm going to do a copycat cook that I saw from my friend Craig over at Behind the Garage Barbecue. If you've not seen his channel before, you've got to check it out. He has some wicked awesome recipes. I'll put the link up above. He's an amazing cook and has a ton of recipes, so you definitely want to check him out. Today we're going to do some sweet heat jalapeno pineapple wings. I saw him do this the other day. I already had some wings thawed. I was going to do a wing cook anyway. This looked absolutely delicious, so I decided to do a copycat. So we're going to get this thing started here in a minute. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. I'm going to use my regular vortex setup today. I have some foil around the edge to help catch some of the juices. I'm going to put the wings around the outside like the vortex. The heat's going to come up, blast off the top. This is going to be a really fast cook. This thing gets really hot. So these wings aren't going to take more than probably 20-25 minutes. So let's get inside, get them prepped, and I'll see you in a minute. Stay tuned. Okay, let's get started with the chili sauce portion of our recipe. I have my burner on a little above medium for this. That's 3/4 cup water, 1/2 cup rice vinegar. I'm going to put in 1/2 cup of sugar. I know that seems like a lot, but trust me, this will make it awesome. I have here about 5 tablespoons of minced garlic. This is the cheater minced garlic. I got this out of a jar. I think this works really well. Get that in there like so. I'm going to put in a tablespoon of soy sauce. And just a whack of cayenne pepper. I don't know what a whack is. Craig, you're going to have to educate me, but I'd say that's about a whack. I don't know, 1/2 teaspoon, something like that. And 2 tablespoons of chili sauce. I'm just going to use this. You can use any chili sauce you want. This stuff is pretty hot, so be careful. I have 2 tablespoons of that here. Add that to the party, like so. And we're just going to kind of mix this in, mostly to get the sugar dissolved. And I want to bring this up to a simmer. So I'm going to keep an eye on this. Stir, stir, stir-a-roo, technical term. Kind of let these flavors blend together here for a little bit. And I'll be right back. Stay tuned. Okay, now I have 4 tablespoons of cornstarch mixed with 2 tablespoons of water. We're going to add this in here just for a little bit of a thickening agent. I'm going to continue to simmer this. So after about 5 minutes, there we have our chili sauce, and this is the consistency you're looking for. Nice and thick, but not too thick. Okay, now we're going to go back in with about 3/4 cups of that sauce we just made. Sorry, that's blocking your shot there a little bit. Like so. And I'm going to add about 2 ounces of pineapple juice and 1 medium jalapeno diced. And we're going to go ahead and bring this back up to a simmer. This isn't going to take long. I just want to get these flavors to blend a little bit. Just fine though. So I'm going to let this come up to a simmer, probably just 2 or 3 minutes. Take it off, let it cool, and we'll get it on the chicken here in a minute. Stay tuned. I'll be back and we'll get these wings on. Okay, let's get these wings on. I do have my vents 3/4 open on the bottom and 3/4 open on the top. This thing is smoking hot. I sprayed some oil on my grates to help with the cleanup. Perfect. I'm going to let those go for about 10 minutes. We'll check on them and I'll get them flipped. Stay tuned. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. I'm going to give these things a turn. Okay, let's give them another 10 minutes. I'll get a temp on them and we'll see what we get. Stay tuned. Okay, oh yeah, these guys are browning up. They're looking good. Let me get my thermometer. I like to do my wings to about 195. These are done. Don't be fooled by the color. I haven't put any rub on these. I put a small amount of SPG. The whole star of this show is going to be the sauce. So I'm going to get these off here and take them inside and we'll get them sauced up. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. Okay, so here we have our wings. Let's go ahead and add our sweet and spicy pineapple jalapeno sauce. Oh my goodness, this smells good. Okay. I grilled up some pineapple. We're going to kind of spritz some of this on here, like so. I'm going to go ahead and garnish this with a couple of our grilled pineapple pieces. Like so, and just sprinkle with a little bit of chives. So there we have it. I'm not going to take a taste of this right now. I actually am going to take this down to the fire department here in a few minutes, but this looks delicious. It smells amazing. Yes, I took a little chef's treat. It's off to the side. I'm going to have that in a second. So Craig, this looks amazing. Copycat recipe. I always like to give credit where credit is due. I just saw this the other day. I had wings that I wanted to cook anyway. So, wow. This does taste amazing. I secretly snuck a bite earlier. It's another win. It's another success. For all of my subscribers, thanks so much for all your support. As always, please stay safe. Please like and subscribe. Thanks to all my subscribers for your support, and we'll see you next time.